What's up, guys? Sloppy here. Well, look what I picked up today. Samsung Odyssey Neo G9. Pretty excited about this. So I don't know how much of a video I'm going to do. I'm just kind of want to go over it when I get it all set up and show you guys. How about unboxing? I might just show you what's in there. I mean, there's been videos online, but I just want to show you it. Let's go in and see what the heck is inside. Here is the box open. We got the legs, installation guide. I know they pretty much say put the bracket of the stand on the monitor so you can get it out of the box. Don't take the monitor out of the box until you get the bracket on it, because this thing is a monster, and where the hell are you going to put it? But here's all the stuff. I don't know what the hell this is. Oh, it's the back plate. It's white, which I think is so terrible. Oh, here it is. Here's the back. So that's the bracket. Here's the wall. This is to mount it. This is so you could put it on to an arm or install it on the wall. I'm sure that's just like a cover ring. Here's the legs. Here is all your stuff. And then the monitor is inside. So here's the white shield to cover up your wires. So let me get this thing out. Just took the legs out and the bracket. This is really easy. This just slides into here, and then on the bottom is the old wing nut. All right, so you're gonna wing nut on, then you got screws. You're gonna actually put it into the monitor. But I also want to show you the feet and stuff. This is a general idea. It's got to be good 18 inches each side of the legs. But I just want to show you that before we get it installed. Here is the beast. Can't get the sense of the curve too much, but this is the beast. The back part. I'm going to get it out in a minute and see how this thing goes. Just attached it. There's the two screws here. That's where it goes in. And then on this side as well. Screw, goes in. You'll feel it tighten, and that's it. You got your base legs onto the monitor. Here is the monitor. It's sick. It's really freaking curved, man. I never had this kind of bend on it. Just trying to show you it. Just give you an idea of how curved this thing is. Absolutely berserk. Look at this, guys. Give you an idea from the sides. I mean, it's just insane. I can't wait to try it. You know? Here is the bottom part. Just to give you an idea of how curved this monster is. She's a monster. Just trying to show you some little demos of how amazing this thing looks. I mean, it's absolutely incredible to game on. It really is. It's nuts. The HDR is absolutely spectacular. There was some issues with earlier firmware. I mean, it's absolutely dope, man. Nothing like it. Really is absolutely incredible. Now, I love my LG, but this thing just absolutely is just crazy. I mean, you could adjust everything you want, but like even the sun is just like brutally strong, but perfect, you know? The trees look absolutely awesome. It's a great monitor, man. With the new firmware, I think I got 1008.3 or something like that. It's really good. They fixed a lot of issues with the monitor. It's spectacular. It's nothing like you've ever experienced before. I mean, 3440 by 1440 was really cool, and so was the 3840 by 1600, but this thing's just mind-blowing. So I just want to show you some demos of just how cool looking it looks. Here's some Doom Eternal. HDR is on. I kind of want to show you how amazing, like even the greens pop. Like every color just pops on this thing. It's absolutely incredible how good it is. Looks absolutely spectacular, man. It's just such a wild experience, like having VR headset on. But it's so rock solid. It's smooth. I mean, colors just are absolutely incredible to see on this thing. Mind-blowing monitor. It's beautiful, man. Definitely the sickest monitor I've ever owned. I mean, you could, obviously adjust your field of view and all that, but it's absolutely just a beautiful, beautiful monitor. This from Far Cry 5, HDR is on, it's at max resolution. I mean, look at the blinking color on this thing. Like, guys, just imagine, this is just on the video. Live, it's absolutely incredible. It's really just bonkers, this monitor. Incredible how good it is. Just the vision that it gives you, it's just absolutely incredible. Every kind of color just pops on it. You know, the potential of an HDR 2000, though it's only for a millisecond, it really can't sustain it. It's just really incredible. I mean, it's incredible. Best monitor I've ever owned, there's no doubt. They did a good job with it. They've definitely worked out a lot of the kinks, and it's just getting better and better. Majorly expensive, but it's worth every dime that you're going to pay for it, because it gives you such a beautiful gaming experience. It really is just absolutely amazing to witness. I can't even get the whole damn thing in. That's just how big the freaking monitor is, guys. Doing some Far Cry 5 with HDR on. It's unbelievable, man. This thing really pops. Look at the yellow. I mean, it's like so vivid and beautiful. Darks are dark, blacks are black. I just want to show you some different parts. I'm going to show you some different games and stuff, but I mean, it's absolutely awesome. And the blues, everything just pops, man. Absolutely breathtaking monitor, man. There's no doubt about it. This thing is just the real deal. I'll show you the on-screen guide. I have the game running in the background. Don't mind the wires. I still haven't gone through everything. But what I want to show you is, here is a little toggle right underneath. You're going to push enter, and it's going to open up. You have many options: game, picture, picture-in-picture. You can go through whatever you want. Obviously, certain settings are going to limit you. You could have adaptive sync on, which I do, and it's it actually syncs with the actual GPU. That's how I have VRR on. So just want to show you right now, it's an HDR dynamic, but the on-screen guide is just absolutely awesome too. So it's such a great experience. Really great monitor, guys. It's got HDMI 2.1, which is just really cool. I don't use it. I'm a DisplayPort fan. No reason to use it. Use DisplayPort if you get a monitor of this size, but it's amazing. The lighting on the back is terrible. You can't see it, so don't be buying this thing for the lighting. It does have a cool lighting, but it's just absolutely dark as hell. You can't even see it at nighttime. Not like the LG I had, where it was so vivid all the time. I mean, that thing lit up the whole damn back wall. But still, that, you know, whatever, who cares about that? You can always do like a Philips Hue or whatever you want for an RGB. But that's it in a nutshell. Just want to let you guys know, I did update the firmware. By updating firmware, all you do is, actually back here is where your inputs is. There's 2 USBs. You download the file from Samsung's website. You just stick it in. You'll go into here, and when you go up, you're gonna see support. Okay, and then you would go to software update, and then when it's on the USB, that's how it would update. So I just want to show you how you even update the firmware, and it's really smooth and a quick transition, guys. Great monitor.